In this video, we will explore what semen retention is, how it affects the body, and its potential impact on attraction. First, let's define semen retention. Semen retention is the practice of avoiding ejaculation, either through abstaining from sexual activity or through techniques such as the start-stop technique. Now, let's dive into the science behind semen retention. When a man ejaculates, his body releases semen, which is a fluid containing sperm cells. Ejaculation also triggers the release of hormones such as dopamine, oxytocin, and prolactin. Semen retention is a practice that involves abstaining from ejaculation, either through avoiding sexual activity or using techniques such as the start-stop technique. While there is limited scientific research on the topic, some people believe that semen retention can increase attraction. The theory behind this belief is that when you retain semen, the body retains the hormones that are released during sexual activity, including dopamine and oxytocin. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter that is associated with pleasure and reward. It is released during sexual activity and can contribute to feelings of pleasure and satisfaction. Oxytocin is another hormone that is released during sexual activity and is often referred to as the cuddle hormone. It promotes bonding and can increase feelings of trust and intimacy. By retaining semen, these hormones are not released through ejaculation and instead remain in the body. The increased levels of dopamine and oxytocin can contribute to feelings of confidence, self-assuredness, and assertiveness, which can be attractive traits. When you feel good about yourself, it can be easier to project confidence and attract others. In addition, oxytocin is known to promote bonding and feelings of trust, which can help establish deeper connections with others. Another belief is that semen retention can increase pheromone production. Pheromones are chemical signals that are released by the body and can influence attraction. It is thought that by retaining semen, the body produces more pheromones, which can make a person more attractive to others. While there is limited scientific research on the relationship between pheromones and attraction, some studies have suggested that certain compounds found in semen may have a positive impact on female fertility and sexual behavior. However, it is important to note that there is limited scientific evidence to support the idea that semen retention increases attraction. While some people may report experiencing benefits, such as increased confidence and attraction, it is not a guaranteed result. It is also important to consider the potential drawbacks of semen retention, including the potential for discomfort or pain, and the increased risk of prostate issues. In addition, attraction is a complex and multifaceted concept that is influenced by a wide range of factors, including physical appearance, personality traits, and social context. While semen retention may have some impact on attraction, it is unlikely to be the sole factor influencing a person's attractiveness. In conclusion, while some people believe that semen retention can increase attraction, there is limited scientific research to support this idea. The theory is that by retaining semen, the body retains hormones such as dopamine and oxytocin, which can contribute to feelings of confidence, self-assuredness, and assertiveness, and promote bonding and deeper connections with others. However, it is important to practice semen retention safely and responsibly, and to consider the potential drawbacks before adopting this practice. Ultimately, attraction is a complex concept that is influenced by a wide range of factors, and semen retention is unlikely to be the sole determinant of a person's attractiveness. When we experience pleasure or reward, our brain releases a chemical called dopamine. This chemical is known as a neurotransmitter, which is a special type of messenger that helps our brain cells communicate with each other. Dopamine is associated with feelings of pleasure and satisfaction, and it plays a role in motivating us to repeat behaviors that make us feel good, such as eating tasty food or engaging in sexual activity. During sexual activity, dopamine is released in the brain, which can contribute to the pleasurable sensations we feel. This can include physical sensations, such as arousal and orgasm, as well as emotional sensations, such as joy and contentment. Dopamine is also involved in addiction and can contribute to behaviors that are rewarding but potentially harmful, such as drug use or gambling. Another hormone that is released during sexual activity is oxytocin. This hormone is often referred to as the cuddle hormone because it promotes bonding and social connection. Oxytocin is released during physical touch, such as hugging, kissing, and sexual activity, and it helps to create feelings of trust and intimacy between individuals. In addition, oxytocin can contribute to a sense of calm and relaxation, which can be especially important during sexual activity. Finally, there is a hormone called prolactin that is involved in the production of breast milk in women. However, it is also released during ejaculation in men. Prolactin can contribute to feelings of relaxation and sleepiness, which can be especially beneficial after sexual activity. It may also play a role in regulating the male reproductive system. Overall, dopamine, oxytocin, and prolactin are all hormones that are released during sexual activity and can contribute to feelings of pleasure, bonding, and relaxation. While these hormones are associated with sexual activity, they also play important roles in other aspects of our lives, such as motivation, social connection, and reproductive health. Understanding these hormones can help us better understand our own bodies and the experiences we have. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.